Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Let Us Eat. I'm Luke.
And I'm Destiny.
And today's video, we are doing molten lava souffles. Ooh. Fancy, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Have fun.
To taste test.
Yes, we are. Let me go grab them. Here's your souffle. Here's my souffle. Look how pretty it is. Tink. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Would you look at that? Mm. Oh, yeah.
Very decadent.
Very sweet.
Mm-hmm. Very sweet.
Mm-hmm. I really like the peanut butter note in it.
I think like a raspberry compote or something put into it.
Yeah, I definitely think there needs to be something bitter in it to kind of counteract all that sweetness.
Yeah. Something to change it up. But it's still good.
Mm-hmm.
And it wasn't too hard either to make.
Yeah. It was a lot of ingredients all combined at once and very easy.
In all honesty, you probably could use regular flour on it. You don't have to go through all the,
the oat
extra
flour
work to make oat flour.
Yeah, which I did not show you guys how to make oat flour, but figure it out on your own.
You just blend oats together and then sift them.
Mm-hmm. Always sift it, because the oats, there's like parts of like the grain that doesn't blend.
Okay guys, so if you're a chocolate lover and want something different than just a brownie,
Yeah,
you can make these.
Yeah, try it out. Tell us how you guys liked it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that notification bell is turned on, and give this thing a big thumbs up.
I've not made a souffle before.
That was my first souffle.
I think it turned out fine.
Yeah, definitely.
So, okay, well bye. We'll see
Bye.
you next video.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Deuces. Bye.